Hey y'all, it's Justice. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for future content. As usual, we're starting off with the Versa Gel. And we're gonna mix in some oils. And this is going to be a clear lip gloss. So I'm only going to use oils that are clear. I do not use any colored oils in my clear lip gloss. So I do try to get all of the air bubbles out when I'm mixing, just for, a prettier effect. And we're gonna add in some of these dry rosebuds. So I add them in first, but I don't like the way they look all the way through. I like how they look at the bottom, but it is hard to get the Versa Gel or your lip gloss to the bottom if the roses are there. So keep that in mind if you're trying to do this gloss. And then I actually forgot that I had bought some of these dried jasmine flowers, so I decided to add it into a couple of my other glosses. But they kind of, so this one you can see I put a lot of flowers. Like, it was really hard to get to the bottom, like really hard. I end up like kind of making a little bit of a mess trying to get it to go all the way down. So keep in mind that you don't want to put a lot of flowers, see? So yeah. And I'm just showing you to put less flowers right here. Less is more if you're doing it the way I'm doing it. Or you can just mix it into your gloss, but I don't like how it looks when it's like everywhere. So this is the finished product, and it should be up on my website now. Okay, so I got like 6 boxes of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm kind of tired of waiting, and I've been wanting to open up my stuff. I did actually go into that one and that one. But yeah, so go ahead and pause the video first and tell me what y'all think I got. Tell me what y'all think is in the box. And on your way down there, make sure you like and subscribe. And let's get into the unboxing video. I am so excited. Okay, y'all, so I usually like to start with the smallest package first. But I already know what this is, and I actually need this. So we're gonna start with the biggest one first. I already know what this one is, and I need this one, so we're gonna start with this one first. Okay, this is definitely smaller than I thought. Focus. Okay, it's cute. It's not huge, but it'll do the job. Now, as y'all can see, so now I have set up my ring lights, and yeah, so I like it. I thought it was bigger, but I don't like the tripod it come with, but I'm gonna just change out to another tripod that I got. But just so y'all know, the tripod it come with sucks. In case you want to buy it, I'm gonna try to link it down below. And I got it off of Amazon. Okay, and then this. Alright, so this is my syringe. And I got a 10-pack. Put right now. I got a 10-pack of the 60 milliliter syringes. So I'll open these up. So here you have a little faucet that is, I hate washing them constantly. Like if I'm doing a lot of lip glosses that day, and if you get the little one that's on TKB, okay, you get those on the inside. They're really little, and so yeah, I like to get bigger ones so I can like get a lot done at one time, get a lot of lip gloss tubes at one time. So this and buying 10 of them means that I don't have to just constantly keep washing them. So like right now I have 3. So if I was doing like, one day I was doing like 5 different lip glosses, I had to like stop, go wash lip gloss tubes, because I am not the type of person who's going to keep using them or whatever. So, however, and if y'all want a video, like if y'all want a video on how I clean my lip gloss tubes, these syringes, let me know in the comment section. And then, okay, look, you guys. So y'all, I had to search high and low to get these the way I wanted them, like high and low. And I know y'all like, what is it? But these are the little pillows. It's gonna change the game, sis. So I'm gonna put my watches on them, because I was like, oh my gosh, how can I package my watches in something cute, like a cute packaging where you could really see the watches. So I know y'all seen my Black Friday thingy, my Black Friday unboxing or whatever. So yeah, that was in my Black Friday unboxing video, but the way I was packaging it, I did not like how I was packaging it, so that's why I never like, you know, showed y'all me packaging it or nothing, because like I was like, I mean, it does the job, but, and I mean, people were buying it, so I want to make sure that you like and you like it. So I'm still probably got some tweaking to do, but these are the little boxes I'm putting in. These some cute little boxes I found. I was looking for boxes. Ooh, back it up. Okay, can you see? No. So these are some cute little boxes that I found. They got the little ribbon. You could just, you know, they're some cute little boxes. I found them. I like them because they're glittery and they're one of my colors, which is one of my colors is gold. So yeah. So say, so I'm gonna be selling it for Black Friday. I mean, not Black Friday. Why I'm saying Black Friday? Because, yeah. But I'm going to be selling it for Valentine's Day. So I got to find a way to get it to, like, I thought the pillow was going to be bigger. I ain't even going to lie. But I'm okay with the size of the pillow. I just need to figure out how to get that to fit. Okay. So I'm going to put these little, like, roses in the bottom. I'm gonna put this right here in there, but I think I need more roses. Put more roses in there. That way, you know what I'm saying, if you buying it for your boo for Valentine's Day, you got the roses with the roly. I mean, it ain't a roly, but you know. So close the box. Closing the box. Okay, boom. So this is the box closed. Now watch me open the box. Oh my god, you got me on Watch Your Valentine's Day. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, I'm tripping. But yeah, that's cute. It's cute, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Next, I got some 25mm lashes. So these are just like my rule bender, but they 25mm. So they long, and so I'm just gonna take them and I'm gonna put them in my regular lash tray, because this lash tray won't fit in my box. And I got like 30 of these just to start off. So yeah, these are the 25mm lashes. Let me go get the regular length so you can see how they look next to these. There we go. Okay. All right, y'all. So these are my new 25mm lashes. I don't have a name for these yet, but these are so freaking cute. These are just like my Hellraiser, which this is my Hellraiser ones right here, and then these, boom. These are the new ones that I don't have a name for, but yeah, as you can see, these are much longer.
Then the Hellraiser, like these joints flare up a whole lot. These do too, don't lie, but these are so much longer than these. So I don't know what I'm gonna name these. Like, do y'all have any suggestions on what I should name these? Let me know down below. So yeah, these are my new 25mm lashes. I don't know what the price of these are going to be yet. I still haven't went up on my prices yet. I told y'all I would in 2020. I just haven't yet. So right now, these, like, you know, my mink lashes, 5D mink lashes, are $10. And these are probably right now gonna be 12. I'm gonna get more styles of the 25mm. So yeah, I don't know. Y'all leave down below what I should name it. Okay, so y'all know I've been telling y'all I'm revamping my business, and so I've been making a lot of different lip gloss colors. If you haven't been checking it out, make sure you go check it out. I've been, you know, patiently awaiting the feedback on which ones do you like, which ones do y'all want me to put on my website. I know that I had a lot of people really liking the Stardust one, so that's why I put it up on my website. Because people actually were asking, okay, like, I want that one, so I put it on my website. And part of my revamping, I am going to change my lip gloss tubes. So my new lip gloss tubes, these are going to be my new lip gloss tubes, and they are so cute. You know, my theme is like a marble, so this is like a marble, and then my color is like a light pink, white, and gold. You know, you can always put like a black, and you know, you can always put like a gray. You know, those are like filler colors, but white, gold, light pink, and my theme is like marble. It's like a clean cut marble, so white marble. And so these are my new lip gloss tubes that I'm going to be using this year, or as long as I want to use them. And I think that I'm going to really love these. I haven't really figured out where I'm gonna put the label. I think I'm gonna have to put it at the top, because I don't know about putting it right here. I don't know about putting it right there, so I probably have to put it at the top. But yeah, these are the new tubes. And next, y'all, is these little rose necklaces. They are so cute. Let me get closer. If my camera will focus on me. But yeah, little rose necklaces. So if you're trying to get your boo something for Valentine's Day, why not give her a rose that'll never wilt? It's a cute little rose. Like, it's so cute. Like, oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, so y'all ain't ready for these. I definitely say the best for last. Definitely save the best for last. So Leo Moore now sells shades. Oh my god, look at them. They are so gorgeous. These are too cute. You know, these are my stunner shades. You want to be at the club, but you don't want nobody all in your face. Put your stunner shades on. So yeah, these are my new shades that they're going to be on the website. But wait, there's more. And they also come in this pink, like this little, I call it rosy pink. It's cute. I love it. It's like a cute rosy color. They're so cute. Can you see them? I'm gonna move them back. Boom. But wait, that's not it. That's not all. Y'all thought I was finished? Okay, so they also come in this clear for you people who are not like wanting the shades. Because this is me. I'm never really like super big on shades. I'm really big on like clear glasses. Like, that's my thing. I like them. So yeah, you have those. Look at them. OMG. And last but most definitely not the least, yes, baby, I love these. Oh, I love these so much. These are cute, like just kind of rest on your face. And they're so cute. Like, I love these so much. So I had to get these because really I just was gonna get one pair for me, but I was like, baby, when they see me in these, I might as well go and put them on the site. Because you ain't gonna be able to tell Justus nothing, period. Those were my new shade sunglasses collection that I have started as well. And so these will also now be on the website. You can definitely get these on my website. So yeah, these are my new shades, and they will be on the website. These shines are lit. Like, they really shining. Like, the camera ain't even showing. Like, they shining. They're shining, yeah.
Okay, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos and look at my past videos. I have a lot of them for you. And I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.